Hi hair friends, welcome to Hairstylist Health. My name is Sarah and I've been a hairstylist for the past 15 years. I created this channel to provide tips and tricks for better mental and physical well-being behind the chair. If you would like to see pictures of my hair work, go to Instagram at Color Cut Collective. I'll have a link down below. So welcome to the back of my house. I figured I would film this video about drinking water while there's rain happening. I know nobody wants to go pee all the time, but it really helps to drink a little bit more water during the day. So here are 3 tricks that I like to use to drink more water throughout my workday. The first trick is straws, which I know maybe is a little obvious, but they've just helped me so much. I have a heck of a time drinking a big old glass of water without having a straw. The second thing that I like to do is drink out of a large container. This is the classic, just big old glass jar. I also like to have something that is see-through so I can see how much of the water I've already drank. So for my third tip, when I first get into the salon in the morning, I will take my giant jar and I'll fill it up with water. The jar that I have in the salon is very similar to this, but it has a cover on the top and a little hole for my straw. That way hair and whatnot doesn't get into the water. Anytime I head back into the back room to do color or to do towels or whatever I'm up to, I will drink a big old swig out of this. And by the end of the day, I've usually drank about 2 to 3 of these containers. It just makes me feel so much better throughout the day, and I highly recommend it. Also, anytime I'm having a snack, I will drink some water before I start eating. That way it's just better for my digestion, and it's just one other way to get water into your system. So I really hope this video helped, and here's to staying hydrated and happy in the salon.